The capital city of both Haryana and Punjab. This city is full of several tourist spots, which gives a panoramic view of Lake Corbusier's planned city. Hey guys, it's me Ayush, and in today's episode of Incredible India, we are going to explore Chandigarh, a quaint city designed by the famous Swiss architect Le Corbusier in 1950. He envisioned a people-oriented city which led him to include lakes, grand buildings, gardens, and boulevards. Located near the foothills of the Shivalik Range, this city, also known as the Tricity, is a district and union territory which serves as a capital of two neighbouring states, Punjab and Haryana. Lying in the northern plains, the city includes a vast area of flat, fertile land and has a humid subtropical climate. Endearingly known as City of Gardens, there are umpteen things to do in Chandigarh. Come, let's explore the city, which is popular for its admirable beauty. Take a boat ride at the man-made Sukhana Lake, set amidst the picturesque surroundings of Chandigarh. It is a reservoir which has acquired a mini cruise ship which gives a ride to the tourists around the water. Don't miss the people tree here, the heritage tree of Chandigarh. Sukhana Wildlife Sanctuary is a protected wildlife sanctuary located at the foothills of the Shivalik Range near the Sukhana Lake. It is an abode to various mammals, birds, reptiles, and microorganisms. Chatpir Zoo, also known as MC Zoological Park, is home to 369 mammals, 400 birds, and 20 reptiles. White tigers are a rare sight to see here. The rock gardens of Chandigarh, also known as Nek Chand's Garden, is named after its owner Nek Chand. It's a sculpture garden created from anything from debris to rubble to junk. A symbol of imagination and novelty, this is one of its kind garden. There are so many parks and gardens that add to the beauty of the city. True to its name, this city satisfies the tourists who wish to enjoy a fresh breath of air. Each garden in the city has been designed in a unique manner and have characteristics of their own. Some of the beautiful gardens and landscape parks in Chandigarh are the Garden of Fragrance, Zakir Hussain Rose Garden, Terrace Garden, Topiary Garden, Bougainvillea Garden, and Japanese Garden. Don't forget about Pehan Mehra Garden, Hibiscus Garden, Garden of Palms, Leisure Valley, Garden of Silence, Butterfly Garden, and so on. Take a healthy toll and go for a healing session at Chandigarh Ayurvedic Center. Elante Mall is the second largest mall in the whole of North India. It boasts a variety of both high-level and low-level brands. Open Hand Monument is an amazing work of art located in the Capitol complex in Chandigarh city. It depicts the hand to give and the hand to take, peace and prosperity and the unity of mankind. It can rotate in the wind. The Le Corbusier Center is a popular heritage spot here and is dedicated to the ancient architect who was a Swiss-French architect who designed the city almost 6 decades ago. Officially known as the Punjab Cricket Association, IS Bindra Stadium, Mahali Cricket Stadium is an enormous stadium here. It was inaugurated in 1993. It is home to the Punjab cricket team. The city is famous for its well-planned and artistic infrastructure and architecture. Among all monuments, the Tower of Shadows stands unique. This manipulates the rays of sun and deals with light in different ways. Come, let's now explore and see some interesting facts about the city. Chandigarh derives its name from the deity Chandi, the goddess of power, whose temple is located in the vicinity. English is the sole language of Chandigarh. The majority of the population speak Hindi, while Punjabi is spoken scarcely. Indian grey mongoose is the official animal. Indian grey hornbill is the official bird. Mango tree is the official tree, and the dark flower is the official flower of the city. Pav Bhaji is the most popular street food here. I hope you liked this video. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel for more of such videos. Stay tuned, we're heading to Chhattisgarh next. See you soon. Until then, bye.